Welcome to the Crazy Hat Chemist. So another video on solutions and their behaviors. Bam! So today we're calculating the concentrations, but we're going to calculate the molality. We're using the same problem that we used before in determining the mole fraction. Okay, so let me read this to you. It says determine the molality. Okay, if 142 grams of ethylene glycol, that's C2H6O2, is dissolved in 250 with the decimal grams of water. There's the expanded formula here for ethylene glycol, so you got that. I already talked about it, and that it is in a radiator, in radiators, okay, to prevent either boiling over of the radiator or freezing of the radiator. Okay, all right, so this is molality. Molality is the moles of solute per kilogram of solvent. Molality, moles of solute per kilogram of solvent. So first of all, we need to figure out what is the solute and what is the solvent. So the solute is always in the lesser quantity. Remember, solute has how many letters? That is 6. Okay, since it has 6 letters, it's fewer than solvent, which has 7. Therefore, the solute is in the lesser quantity. So I'm comparing 142 grams compared to 250 grams. 142 is less than the 250. So therefore, the 250, because it's in the greater amount, that is the solvent. And the 142, that's in the lesser amount, that's the solute. So I'm going to convert the 142 grams of ethylene glycol from those grams into moles of solute. And I'm also going to convert the 250 grams of water, that's the solvent, into kilograms of water. And then I'm going to plug it into that equation, do a little division there, get the quotient, and that quotient, that answer is my molality. So we've already delineated which is the solute, which is the solvent there. The solute is in the lesser quantity, the solvent is in the greater quantity. So I'm going to convert the moles of ethylene glycol, that's the solute, into, the grams of ethylene glycol, that's the solute, into moles of ethylene glycol. We did this actually in the mole fraction problem. I'm using the molar mass of ethylene glycol, and now I have moles of ethylene glycol, so that's 2.29 moles of ethylene glycol, that's C2H6O2. Now I'm going to convert the 250 grams of water into kilograms of water. And that's really effectively moving the decimal 3 places to the left. And now I got 0.250 kilograms of water. Now, I'm going to plug that into this equation for the molality. That is the moles of the ethylene glycol divided by the kilograms of water. I'm going to plug in those values. Those values are 2.29 moles of ethylene glycol, that's C2H6O2, divided by the 0.250 kilograms of water. Divide these two numbers, and now I get 9.16 molal. So the molality is 9.16 molal. Okay, that's the moles of the solute divided by the kilograms of the solvent. Okay, hopefully that worked out really well for you. And man, I am going for all kinds of animals in this unit here. Okay, this is a wolf. If you're part of the wolf pack, give me a thumbs up. If you like that video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'm going to see you next time. Oh!